Welcome to Burp Suite, crawling the website. So I have Burp Suite here, and I've also got in the background a copy of, I did have, let me just get, I'll get OWASP Juice Shop running now, and that's starting to run now. Okay, so by the way, Burp Suite, I've got that capturing packets. If I go to proxy, it intercepts off at the moment, so I'm not actually capturing packets, but I can crawl the website. So the way I do that is I go to new live task, and I can do a live passive crawl. And basically that means I want to try not to be detected. So I'll just listen to things in the background. So it's not really aggressive, but let's try that. Maybe we'll go to next. We can save it if you want to, or just save it as is. Looks like I have to select a couple of tools there. Okay, so it should start to crawl the website slowly but surely. I might need to add a target there. And it's building a sitemap now. And it is now crawling the website, gathering information, gathering a lot of information actually. There's a lot to look through there. Assets, APIs. Oh, look at that, it's got card numbers, delivery addresses, security, just by poking around the website. Very interesting. Look, it's even got users as well. So this is a really good exercise on if you want to do IDOR or some other type of tool out there. But yeah, that's crawling the website on Burp Suite. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.